In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 different ways that you can journal in order to manifest. So it's like manifestation journaling. It's kind of like scripting, but a little bit shorter. And these really work. These are things that I personally try, and also I teach my clients to try them, and it almost always works. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. I have a bunch of new items on my shop for you guys. Necklaces, bracelets, jade rollers, crystals, oils, and candles, and things to cleanse your home with. So if you're interested, head over to my Etsy shop and you can find everything over there. I have sales all the time, and I hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure that you subscribe, that way you'll never miss out on another video. Today we're going to be talking about journaling. This is my journal right here, but you can use any kind of just plain old notebook if you want. You can use a piece of paper, you could use your phone, you could use voice notes. But this specific video is about writing, so I would recommend something where you can write with. So get yourself a really pretty nice pen and a really nice journal that you can write in. There is a huge power in writing. It's very magical because, first of all, if you really think about it, it's taking our thoughts, which are not in tangible form just yet, right? So you're taking your thoughts, and the energy of that thought is running down your fingers, out through your arm, and that energy of just writing it out is a very powerful thing. It's almost like creating a spell. It's like writing out a ritual or performing a ritual to manifest. It's very powerful, you guys. I have a few notes that I wrote down here that I wanted to talk to you guys about before I get into the 3 journal prompts to use for manifesting. So the first thing is writing something down makes it more real. It makes it more tangible when you can see it, when the energy through your fingers actually writes it down. It's a big deal, you guys. At first, it's just a thought and a vision in your mind, but when you write it down, it becomes more real in our physical reality, okay? Writing helps us solidify something. It helps us to see it and be like, imagine you're trying to buy a house, right? And then, you're looking and the pre-approval process happens, the credit check happens, like all the things that go into buying a house or renting a home, right? But it's not a done deal until you see it in writing, right? There's so many things in our reality that's not a done deal unless it's in writing. Journaling is also something that is very powerful in healing because you're letting everything out through your fingers, writing it out, releasing it. That's the same thing with manifesting, except manifesting, we're bringing it in. Okay? It's taking a thought or a vision from your mind, and through your fingers, you are creating that in your physical reality. So that's what we're doing by the magic and the power of writing something down. Now, the ink and the pen and the color of the ink that you use, the kind of paper that you use, all of that does come into play, but that's later on. Just start off with a plain piece of paper, just a plain journal, and any pen that you like. So let's get into the prompts. So here are the 3 journal prompts that you're going to want to use for manifesting. These are very powerful. The way that it's worded, the energy that it creates around you and in your thoughts and in your body, in your aura, it's very attractive to the universe and to your deities. Like, it just lets the universe know what it is that you want, okay? The first one, okay, is going to be, I am so excited. I hope you guys can see that. I am so excited that I manifested. And whatever it is that you manifested, and you can actually write that throughout the whole entire page. What did you manifest? What did you wear when you manifested it? How did you feel when you manifested it? What How old were you? Like, just script it out in as much detail as you can get into. I wouldn't go into like how old you are and stuff like that. I would get into like what were you wearing comfortable clothes? Like, get into like the details of the things that you would feel comfortable with, right? So you want to make this a little bit outside your comfort zone, but also a little bit inside your comfort zone is how I manifest. So whenever I'm manifesting anything, I'll just be like, I'm wearing something where I feel cute in it. It's comfortable, it's cozy, but it's impressionable, is what I would say. And that's what I was wearing when I manifested blah, 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 blah. I'm just giving an example of like the clothes you're going to be wearing when you manifest. But what about your manifestation will excite you? I want you to write it all out. Okay? Is it going to help you be more stable? Is it going to help you be more aligned with your purpose? Whatever it is. Okay? Now, the second prompt that I want to share with you guys is I feel, and you're going to write exactly how you feel. And you can make this however long you want. Okay? I feel blah, 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 blah. After manifesting whatever it is that you're manifesting. I feel however you feel. You want to write out how you believe you will feel, how you think you will feel. Of course, you're going to feel excited. You're going to feel a little bit maybe nervous when you manifest something that you've been trying to manifest or you really want and desire. There's a lot of emotions that come with it. So what emotions do you feel will come to you when you manifest this thing? How are you going to feel? Write it out. Okay? And the third one is one of my favorite ones. This is a really long one, but it's I am so happy to see, hear, feel, smell, and taste. And then this is going to be whatever it is that you manifested. So you're using the power of your five senses. See, hear, feel, smell, and taste. When you manifest what you want to manifest, what are you going to see? What are you going to hear? How are you going to feel? What kinds of things would you smell? And if there is, what would you taste? Like sometimes when we are living in lack, we get dry mouth, we get coughs, asthma, wheezing, anxiety, heavy breathing, things like that, if you understand what I'm saying. So in your mouth, what would you taste when you manifest it, what it is that you want to manifest? For me, it's like, say I wanted a job, right? And I manifested that job. What would I taste when I manifested that job? Maybe I'll have a bottle of wine with my loved ones to celebrate. Maybe I'll go out to dinner or go out and grab like Starbucks or something with my loved ones to celebrate. That's what taste would be to me after I accomplish or manifest something career-wise, financially, something like that, like a big goal where you don't taste the goal, but say you just wanted to manifest a lobster dinner because you've never ate lobster before. So I'm so happy to see, hear, feel, smell, taste, and describe it how you think it would be like. And describe it well. Describe it positively. So these are the 3 prompts that I have for you guys. Screenshot it, save it, use all 3 of them. use whichever one that calls out to you, or use these to make your own. Okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know in the comment section down below which prompt are you going to use, or if you have one of your own that you use. Now remember, we always write everything in the present tense. That is the secret and the magic of manifesting. And with that being said, I'll talk to you guys very, very soon. Bye.